Unraveling the Mystery of Bad Vibes, an English Learning Journey. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase that you might have come across in movies, songs, or even in daily conversations. The phrase is bad vibes. If you've been puzzled by what this means, worry no more. We're going to break it down, so you'll not only understand it but also be able to use it like a native speaker. So, let's spread some good vibes and start learning. Before we can understand bad vibes, we need to grasp the concept of vibes. The word vibes is actually short for vibrations. In the context of spoken language, it doesn't refer to physical vibrations that we can touch or see, but rather to the emotional signals or the atmosphere that someone or something gives off. You might hear someone say, "I'm getting good vibes from this place." This means they feel a positive atmosphere or emotion coming from the environment. Now, let's flip that coin. Bad vibes are the exact opposite of good vibes. When someone says they're getting bad vibes, it means they are sensing negative emotions or feelings from a person or a situation. It's like an internal alarm that tells you something is not right, even if on the surface, everything seems okay. It's important to note that bad vibes are subjective. What feels off to one person might be perfectly fine for another. To get a better sense of how to use bad vibes, let's look at some examples. I decided not to take the job because I got some bad vibes during the interview. She doesn't like going to that cafe. She says it has bad vibes. Can we leave this party? There are some really bad vibes here. Notice that in each example, bad vibes is used to express a discomfort or a negative intuition about a place, situation, or person. What do you do when you sense bad vibes? People often listen to their intuition when they feel this way. They might leave a place or avoid a person giving off bad vibes. Try to change the situation to create better vibes. Share their feelings with someone else, saying something like, "Are you getting bad vibes from this, too?" It's always okay to trust your feelings when you encounter bad vibes and to take actions that make you feel safe and comfortable. And that's all on bad vibes, my friends. I hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase and that you're now more confident in understanding and using it. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about feelings and expressions, too. So next time you sense those negative intuitions, you'll know exactly how to describe them in English. Until our next lesson, keep learning and stay positive, despite any bad vibes that come your way.